Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's May 22nd, Wednesday morning, and markets overnight were relatively quiet in the grains. Most of what was going on is adjusting of bull spread, some profit taking there. We've seen cash markets and basis slide or slip in corn and actually drop quite a bit in soybeans. CIF basis has been weak. Domestic basis, a couple key points in Minnesota. Mankato has shown a drop of 50 cents in bean basis here in the since its highs of last week. So those are factors that are adjusting futures prices here today. We've seen some movement of grain since the planting progress. Our farmers are now moving some grain, and that is causing a bit of pressure on the nearby contract. We still have got very tight supplies going into our ending stocks here at the end of this marketing year for both corn and soybeans. So expect some volatility there as we move forward. China's markets overnight shown beans and corn and oil higher over there as well, but they're still lagging behind the strength that we've seen in the nearby contracts in Chicago for the week. So expect some evening up there as well. Weather news, not anything that's really changed from yesterday. Scattered showers will force some producers out of the field and won't be able to finish up planting as quickly as they'd like, but not any severe downpours is what we're hearing here for the next several days, but make less than ideal planting conditions here for the next few days. And then we've got a clearing, open system moving through that should allow most producers to finish up on their planting this year. We did have word out of Oil World, an analyst group out of Europe, suggesting that the U.S. will import as much as 32 million bushel of soybeans, mostly from Canada and South America, here this marketing year. So that could also be a reason for some weakness here in the nearby contract. I want to remind everybody we've got an Ag Leaders webinar next Tuesday at 8 p.m. Rich Nelson and Matt from Legend Seeds will be discussing the potential yield for this year's corn crop. A reason to attend. You can sign up right on our website today and get firsthand information at 8 o'clock on Tuesday evening. In the beef market, choice beef continues to work higher and set record highs. We had choice up 41 cents. Select, however, down 44 cents yesterday. Pork cutout values were up 31. Expect the progress in planning and the weather conditions moving through. We could see some weakness in cash hogs, and that is keeping us balanced, I guess you might say, in the futures contracts as the demand for product is pretty much over at the retail counter here for the holiday. For the Memorial Day holiday, we might see some fill-in buying here for early next week, but we'll have to watch that as we go forward here through the rest of the week. Other news, outside markets are quiet also. Dollar is up just slightly, crude down slightly, gold has bounced back up about $15 here this morning. So stay in touch with Allendale's Research. You can reach us at 800-262-7538. We wish everybody a very successful trading day. I'll talk to you tomorrow morning.